Dear students, today we discuss about the isomorphism. Two graphs G1 and G2 are said to be isomorphism to each other if there is a one correspondence between their vertices and between their edges, such that the incidence relationship is preserved. That means by definition we can say that two graphs are isomorphic graph if first the same number of vertices, same number of edges and equal number of vertices with the given degree. So degree of vertices is also same and adjacency is preserved. That means incident relationship is also preserved. I give one example here. There are two graphs G1 and G2. This is G1 and this is G2. So we can say that here A1, B1, C1, D1 and F1. I take here F1. Here I take A2, B2, C2, D2 and F2. So both have the five number of vertices. Okay, the same vertices are there. Five number of edges are also 6. E1, E2, E3, E4, E6, and here also E1 dash, E2 dash, E3 dash, E4 dash, E5 dash, E6 dash. So number of vertices are also same and number of edges are also same. Now equal number of vertices with the given degree. So you can see that one vertex is here, that is we can say that here A1 has a 3 degree is 3 and D1 has also degree 3 and C1 has also degree 3. So 3 vertices as 3 degree 3, one is of degree 2 and one is of degree 1. Similarly we have to check here A2, C2 and D2. These 3 vertices of degree 3, B2 is degree 2 and F2 is degree 1. So number of degree are also same. So equal number of vertices with a given degree. Now adjacency is preserved. So you can compare that. If I compare A1 to A1 as A2, C1 as C2, so same graph will be you can see. So again we understand second graph for a similar way, that you can see here this graph G1 and G2 both has 8 vertices. Easily you can see that, and you can also see that all vertices 1, 2, 3, all vertices are degree 3, and here also all vertices are degree 3. So it is also same number of vertices, same number of degrees, equal number of vertices with a given degree, and adjacency also preserved. Now we can easily understand that if you are showing these two graphs, this is a graph of a dice. You can upper view and side view are there. So both are looking same. So both are isomorphic graph. As two different way to drawing the same graph. Now we take one example here. Find whether K6 and K33 graph are isomorphic or not. First of all, we draw here K6 and K33. You can see that K6 is, I draw here K6, which has also 6 vertices, and K3, 3 has also 6 vertices. Now number of edges. So you know that in the number of edges are different, because in K33 these are not correct with each other. And another thing we show that here one vertex is a degree 5, but here one vertex is a degree 3. So what happened here? They are not isomorphic, as degree of each vertex of K6 is 5 while the degree of each vertex of K33 is 3. Hence the degree is not preserved. So adjacency is not preserved. Hence we can say that K6 is not equal to K33. So now we are taking some another example here. Let's see, this is another graph. Show that the following graph are isomorphic or not. For proving that, first of all we count what number of edges and number of vertices here. You can see that there are 5 vertices outside and 5 vertices are inside in graph 1. And similarly in graph 2 also 5 vertices in outside and 5 vertices inside. So total 10 vertices are in graph 1 and graph 2. In graph 3 we have also 6 vertices outside and 4 vertices are inside. So that there are total 10 vertices in it also. Now we have to count the number of edges. So here you can easily count the number of edges, that in graph 1 5 outside, another 5 inside and another 5. So there is 15 edges are there. So I count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 15. So total number of graphs are edges are 15. So similarly we can count here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are also 15 edges. Now similarly count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then inside 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, 1 minute, I just mistake here. So I will count again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here there is 1, 2, 3 inside. So 6 plus 3, 9, and outside 3, 1, 2, 3. So 9 plus 3, 12. Now this curl there 3. So 12 plus 3, 15. So 15 edges are also here. Okay, 6 outside, 6 inside and 3 curl. So 12 plus 3, 15 edges are here. So all the graph has a 10 vertices and 15 edges. Also we can see that degree of each vertices in G1, G2, G3 are 3. You can clearly see that all the degree of each vertices are 3. So first two conditions are already satisfied. Now we have to just show that adjacency is preserved or not. So if we are comparing graph G1 and G2, you can see that A1 is similar as to F2. If you compare this adjacency, we can see that if I zoom it, F2, this circle, if I zoom this circle, so it's going outside and this star become inside and this line also becomes outside. So we can see that A1 is compared with the F2, similarly B1 is compared with the G2, C1 is compared with the H2, D1 is compared with the I2, and E1 is compared with the J2. Now we see that F2 is connected with A2 inside. Similarly यहाँ पे F1 is connected to A2. Okay. Now G1 is connected to B2. You can see that F1 is connected to A2, G1 is connected to B2, H1 is connected to C2, I1 is connected to D2, and J1 is connected to E2. So we see that the adjacency also preserves. So G1 and G2 are the isomorphic graph. Similarly, this is a task for you. You have to see that G2 and G3 are connected with each other. So first three conditions already satisfied. So we have to just check the last preservancy. That's this part you have to check. G2 and G3 are connected or not. Now you can check for that. Okay. So this is a task for you. And similarly, we can say that G1 and G2 are isomorphic, G2 and G3 are isomorphic. So we can say that G1, G2 and G3 both all are the isomorphic. So I hope you understand the topic of isomorphic graph, which has a number of vertices, number of edges are same, and the degree of vertices must be same. And then we can say that it is also adjacency preserved, so it is called a isomorphic graph. Thank you.